Good afternoon, it's Vikram Sareen here, Chief Architect with Mula Technologies. Quite excited to share something very new, which is what we call it as XPOS. XPOS is essentially X point of sale or XPay point of sale. And basically what we have is that we have the web-based secure point of sale software, and this point of sale software is essentially for small and medium or small merchants who are basically looking at going for digital payments. And what I'm going to quickly talk about is that what's the dashboard that's available, and also do a transaction on this particular terminal and show it to you. So what I'm showing you right now is more on the web-based part, and as you would see is that once I have logged in as a manager, I can do quite a bit of stuff here. So I'm coming in, and you can look at the inventory part. So what's basically the stock I have, if I want to transfer or not, all that features are available. So that means these are the stocks which I have available right now. And then I have branch. In the branch, I can quickly look at where the branch is, the contact point and everything, and then also look at the documentation. Let's say if there is specific documents which you need to upload it over here or keep intact. Then also the number of users that you have. So let's say if there are more than one person who's actually managing the point of sale, then you can actually have it over there, and then you can have the what we call it as basically the status, as well as any kind of information which you want to keep or change. So all that over here is there. You can also put in the commission aspect. That means that whether you want to have a commission for certain sales which are being met across. Then obviously the staff commissions that can also be quickly seen over here. Then going towards the customer, you will have two sets of customers. One will be the guys who are coming for the first time, and the others will be like pre-registered with you. So that kind of gives you the flexibility if let's say you want to kind of have build future things around it, and also keep a kind of check on them, like how much procurements or purchases they are doing through you. Then going towards set of reports. So in the reports we have quite a bit of variety in terms of daily settlements, daily closures, sales volumes, commissions which are being calculated, the transactions that are pending. All these kind of things are coming over here. So I'm quickly showing you if there are any pending transactions that are pending. So sadly there is one which is pending for $700. Then going towards the point of sale. Now this is the crux of it, meaning that when the person walks in or there's a pre-existing customer, you can actually put it over here, and then you can click on the products to add. So let's say I already have a catalog open here, and then I can come and see, and let's say if I want to buy the contacts, so I can pick up 3 contacts. Then I can come in, and then I can again pick up another product. Now what you would see over here is that we can actually quickly do the maths over here. You can fill some comments also, and also set the date when you want to do it, and then also it does the quick GST calculation, the tax calculation for you. So it's actually saying you have reached the maximum quantity, so I can only have one. So this is just to show you that if the quantity exceeds, then automatically purchase is stopped. Now I'm going ahead and actually saying that I want to make the payment. So over here you can say cash, master, visa, but what I want to show you is the actual XPay payment, which is basically with the core system of ours. Now over here I come in and put in my card number. So that's the card number, which is basically the account card number that you are providing over here, and then I say apply. So when I say apply, the level of security what we have given over here is that it's basically the one-time password security. So meaning that whenever whenever you do the transaction, a message will come to you, and then you will have the ability to put the OTP here. So I'm just waiting for it to come as SMS. Sorry, it's taking a bit of time. Okay, I think it's taking quite a bit of time. Sorry, let me check if my team has sent it to me. Nope, not yet. Okay, once again. I think so, I got it. Okay, it's 336293. Okay, so that's the one-time password that I've got, and I'm applying now. This is the time my account is getting validated, deduction is being made, and as you would see over here is that I have got the payment overdone using XPay for this particular this thing. So a few other things, let's say if there are shipping charges, customer details, all these things you can fill it up over here. If you want the tax invoice, then it can actually throw back the tax invoice for the client for you. So I'm not getting into that part, so it can actually quickly show you that also. And then it can also give you the sales invoice. So sales invoice is also generated and it can be provided. Yeah, so it's an end-to-end point of sale software which can actually cover everything. It's web based, it's based on responsive UI, so you can actually use it on an iPhone or iTab, and and all these other smart devices too, and build a system which can actually be providing you a complete digital experience in terms of making the payments with XPay onto it. Yeah, we have provided the feature of cash also over here, so it's just in case if somebody doesn't have an account and is not your customer who's actually on board with XPay, then you can actually collect the cash also. Yeah, or there's a flexibility of the deposit. That means that the person can actually come and make the deposit for you, and then you can use it later when it comes in. So this was a very quick demonstration with regards to what we have in terms of the new product extension of ours, which is XPay point of sale. And we hope that with this value add feature or with this value add module, the XPay will bring more sales to you, and it will also bring more value in terms of how we want to move towards the digitization and automation to its maximum. And I think at the end of the day, it's also empowering your merchants at a very bare minimum cost for them to use this kind of system on subscription basis, or it could be pay-per-use basis or commission basis, and actually reach out to the masses at the least cost and the maximum velocity of rolling out. Yeah. With this, I would like to end this quick demo of XPOS with XPay. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, please do drop me an email at Vikram, Vikram @ Moolatech, MOLLATech.com. Thank you so much.